This video is a demonstration of the operation of a handheld laser welding machine. The first step is to open the gas valve and connect the gas pipe to the welding machine. Note argon gas is selected. Connect the power cord to the power adapter and turn on the power switch. Press the start button and the control panel button. Check the water level of the water tank. If it is lower than the green area, water needs to be added. Be careful not to exceed the green area. Check the water tank temperature and wait for the water tank temperature to reach the predetermined temperature before pressing the laser button. Turn on the welding wire feeder and install the wire feeder tube. Install the wire feed wheel. Select and install the appropriate wire feeding wheel according to the diameter of the welding wire. Select and install the appropriate metal welding wire according to the material to be welded. Note the welding wire shall be assembled in the direction indicated by the arrow. Turn on the wire feeder after the installation is completed. Press the wire feed button for a long time until the welding wire is exposed from the wire feed tube for a proper length. Install the welding wire to the welding gun through the wire feeder tube. Select and install the appropriate copper nozzle according to the diameter of the welding wire. Fix the welding wire on the welding gun. Note the welding wire needs to be fixed at the designated position of the welding gun. After the welding gun is installed, adjust the red light indication position on the operation screen. Note the red light indication shall be adjusted to the middle position of the welding wire, and the appropriate red light indication width shall be selected according to the diameter of the welding wire. Adjust the laser focus of the welding gun to the strongest spot and fix it. Safety warning. Before welding, connect the safety clamp to the operator station to ensure that it is connected to the welding gun. Open the shutter and automatic wire feed button on the operation screen. Click the gas button and turn off the gas button when you hear the protective gas sound. Adjust the power of the welding machine according to the welding material. Check whether the lens is damaged before welding. If the lens is damaged, it should be replaced in time. When replacing lenses, pay attention to replacing them in a clean environment. When welding, the wire feeder will automatically feed the wire to drive the welding gun to move backward automatically. When welding is completed, the gun must be lifted first and then the welding button must be released.